guys, welcome Andrew, welcome back to the channel. Jdevinci, we're about to put on a Beyonce wig, y'all. It's gonna be glueless, it's gonna be a closure wig, perfect for beginners out there. I like to keep all my wig videos very beginner friendly in case you guys are wondering. I might glue down the next. It's from Luvmehair. Let me just briefly show you guys what comes in a box. In a little plastic container, they also give you hair clip, wig cap, melt belt, and a comb. But as always, I like to keep my wig videos very beginner friendly and easy to install, so let's get it. I cut the lace off. Let's just put it on. Whoa, I love to say it, big head friendly. Do you see how that kind of just melted into my scalp? Just want to finger comb it just so we can see the versatility. Oh, maybe it's getting big. And then we'll add a little product so you guys can see what that does too. Oh, she's cute. Okay, she's giving. Now let's go put some product in her and see what she's giving. So real quick, this is the non-defined side, just straight out of the pack, finger combed, and then I added some definition. So now I'm just gonna finish adding the definition to this side and then we'll be done. I defined the curls, but I want to put a little razzle dazzle part. That was a bunch, huh? I was not gonna define the curls, but I felt like you might want to see them defined. So this is what the hair looks like. I think it's actually super cute. I love it. I do think it's gonna be a lot to maintain, but it's a closure wig, so just take it off at nighttime, put it back on during the day. I normally don't put product in the hair, but 2024 I said I wasn't gonna be lazy anymore, and I absolutely love the way it looks. Everything's gonna be linked below. You guys can use my discount code if you guys would like. Yeah.
If another motherfucking bitch try to try me, they gon' have to find me. They gon' be on an IV. I'ma have them on the run like Jdevinci.